Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah Albert, and if you're new here, thanks for stopping by. If you're not also subscriber, thanks for coming back. On today's video, I'm going to be doing my makeup using mostly one Nigerian brand named Flawless Ivy. So I've had some of their products before, but recently I got their new foundation. This is what it looks like. So I got it in honey and nutmeg. I really like the packaging. It's so cute. Nigerian brands are doing very well. So today, like I said before, I'm going to be using mostly Flawless Ivy products. I also got their concealers, the camouflage high coverage concealers. I got that in shade 2 and 3, and I got their loose powder in the shade banana. I also got the eyeshadow primer, their pressed powder in the shade honey. I've always had this City Girl eyeshadow palette, so I'm going to also be using it for the makeup today. And then the setting spray, or would like to say hydrating mist, because it's for both priming and setting your makeup. So these are the few of the products I'm going to be using today for this makeup, and I'm going to be adding some other brands to it. So let's get right into this video. So I already moisturized and primed my face. I'm just going ahead now to apply the foundation, the Flawless Ivy foundation on my face. So I actually mixed the both shades to get my perfect shade, because one was too dark and the other was too light for me. After that, I'm going to be doing my cream contour and just sculpt my nose with the same palette, the brown shade. After that, I'm going to go in with my blush, and I'm just blending it out. After the blush, I'm going in with the concealer. So I noticed that the concealer brush, it's got feathered easily. I've barely used this concealer. I've just used it about 2 times before now, and see what it looks like. So I think that's my only complaint. Other than that, the concealer works perfectly and it blends out very fine. So this is me just blending my concealer now. After that, I went in with the setting powder. I'm just dusting the excess off on my hand, because I really want to set my face very well to avoid the makeup from creasing. So I'm just going ahead to set most of the parts that I concealed, and I'm going in with the pressed powder to set the rest part of my face. After that, I used this highlighter shade from my powder palette to set my face, and then I'm going in with my powder blush. Went ahead to sculpt my nose again with the powdered product, and I used the Flawless Ivy City Girl eyeshadow palette to create this very simple eye look. So if you've watched up to this moment, please do well to like, comment and subscribe to my channel, please. So I'm just dusting off the powder now, and I'm going to spray my face with that Flawless Ivy setting spray, adding some highlighter, and I'll do my lipstick, and that's basically it for this makeup. Hope you enjoyed watching this, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.